Hey guys, Aune here. I want to talk about some really cool features that InSinkErator has for fast and easy installation of their Power and Advanced series garbage disposals.
So you're familiar with the lift and latch technology. I think that's a great system that they've had for many years on their disposals. Let's go on to the drain connection. Flanged, you've got the 90 or the straight tailpiece that's included in the box on the side here. This is genius. Using the service wrench that's included with your disposal, you can now remove the dishwasher plug. I think that's awesome. You're not beating that out of there with a hammer. It's reusable. You don't have to use that connection if it's not allowed by your code. I love that feature. I think it's nice. Now, wiring, whether you're doing hardwire or corded, you've got this new easy connect feature where you literally insert it like that, slide it in, and it's wired up. That's it. No extra tools except for a little retainer screw right there. I think it's super cool. So I do a lot of corded models where I work. That just seems to be the norm in the Minnesota kitchens, but you've got the option for hardwire as well. Now, they've got multi-grind technology on this model, but they've got you covered from top to bottom on price point and features. Check them out. Some really cool new features to make installation of InSinkErator food waste disposals easier and faster.